So for our next skill today, we are going to do identifying equivalent expressions. And this is going to involve two-digit exponents. So earlier we only did single-digit exponents. This time we're doing double digits. All right. Remember the properties that we went over? It's still the same ones that we're using, but we're just going to work with the double digits. So in this situation, we have this problem. It says select all the expressions that are equivalent to 9 to the 5th power times 7 to the 5th power. So remember that you can write this as 9 times 7 and then to the 5th power. So basically 9 times 7 is 63. So that's 63 to the 5th power. So let's see which one it can be written. I must have, well, I must have done something wrong. Did I do something wrong? I used this property. They're both to the 5th power. All right. So then 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, that's 63. Did I do something wrong? It's not to the negative power, so it's not this one. Ah, I see. So the answer should be the first one. All right. Why would it be the first one? Well, first of all, it's not these right here because it's the wrong powers. It is the first one here because, so this is 63 to the 5th power. If I want to change it into a fraction, it would look like that, all right? It would look like this one right here. Remember, if you change it to a fraction, it's always 1 over, it would be whatever the number is, and then we would change the power. In this situation, we have a positive power. So if we change it into a fraction, it turns into a negative power. Now, if we had a negative power, it turns into a positive power. So every time you switch it over to the other side, whether it's to the numerator or denominator, you just have to change the sign. It's either positive or negative. All right, so let's check the answer. And the correct answer is 1 over 63 to the negative 5th power. All right, so let's do another example. I'm going to try and work faster just because my videos are getting cut because they're telling me my videos are too long. All right, so we have 3 to the negative 24th power and then 3 to the 2nd power. Like I said earlier, there's two ways to do this, but let's just go straight through and just follow one rule. All right. So if we have 3 to the negative 24th power and then 3 to the 2nd power, all you have to do is have 3, all right, because it's the same base. And then we just subtract the powers. So what is negative 24 minus 2? All right, when you subtract the powers, it's always the top minus the bottom. That turns into, well, basically we're adding, all right, we're adding a negative 2. That's what it means. So we have negative 26. So the answer is 3 to the negative 26th power. It says to select all of the expressions that are equivalent to this. So it's obviously not the first one or the second one. It is the last one. And if we want to write this into the fraction way, all right, remember if you write it the fraction way, it would be 1 over 3 to the 26th power. And then this time it would be positive, all right? You have to change that. So let me click both of them. And that should be the right answer. Yeah. And I hope you guys find this helpful.